Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best HurryCane for Women is probably one of the most innovative mobility aids designed with women in mind. This video is dedicated to helping you navigate the world of HurryCane for Women, breaking down its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect choice for you or a loved one. We'll explore its unique design, focusing on stability, ease of use, and how it can enhance your daily life with confidence and style. Number 5. HONEYBULL Foldable, Adjustable Walking Cane. This walking cane is designed to help your parents and grandparents. It's easy to use and reliable, perfect for seniors and those with injuries. This cane is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to travel with. It's built with strong aluminum, ensuring it's heavy-duty and durable. The base pivots to stay flat on almost any surface. It provides maximum ground contact with its non-scratch rubber base. The three-pronged base is great for any terrain. You can easily adjust the height from 30 to 36 inches. It's a perfect fit for people from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches, designed to fit almost anyone. The extra-wide, three-tipped base allows the cane to stand on its own. It's the perfect walking aid for men and women of all ages. What we like? This cane stands on its own, offering unparalleled convenience. Its pivoting tip ensures stability on any terrain, giving you confidence with every step. If you are looking for a cane that combines independence with adaptability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a comfortable handle. The adjustable height feature is very useful. Number 4. HONEYBULL Foldable, Adjustable Walking Cane for Seniors. This easy-to-use and reliable walking cane is perfect for assisting your parents, grandparents, or anyone in need. It's designed specifically for seniors, the elderly, and those recovering from injuries. The cane is lightweight and foldable, making it incredibly easy to travel with. Its collapsible design ensures it won't take up much space. It's built with strong aluminum for heavy-duty use. Easily adjust the height of the cane from 30 to 36 inches. It's designed to fit people from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches, ensuring a comfortable and customized experience for almost anyone. The cane features an extra-wide, three-tipped base that allows it to stand firmly on its own. This provides added convenience and stability, making it a great choice for users of all ages. The base pivots to stay flat on almost any angled surface, maximizing ground contact. The non-scratch rubber base and three-pronged design ensures it works well on any surface. What we like? This cane features a pivoting tip for maximum ground contact, ensuring stability on any surface. It also adjusts to your ideal height, providing a comfortable and secure experience. If you value stability and a customized fit, this cane is designed for you. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable height feature is very convenient. It has a comfortable handle. Number 3. HurryCane Freedom Edition Foldable Walking Cane. This cane provides excellent balance support, allowing you to move with confidence. It features a patented steady grip base and a WhisperFlex pivoting design, ensuring stability with every step. Experience ergonomic comfort and enhanced mobility with this walking cane. It's designed to boost your balance and ease your movement, making daily activities more manageable. The cane is designed to be easily adjusted to fit your height. It offers a range from 30.5 to 37.5 inches and includes a compact 4.25-inch steady grip base for added convenience. This foldable cane is perfect for everyday use and travel. It stands independently when needed and collapses to just 13.7 inches for easy storage. Its durable construction ensures it will last. Our mission is to provide innovative healthcare solutions that improve lives. This cane is a testament to that commitment, designed to offer support and enhance your daily living. What we like? This cane's steady grip base offers enhanced stability, giving you confidence in your mobility. It folds up for easy portability, making it ideal for travel. If you need a reliable and portable walking aid, you should consider this one. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a comfortable handle. The adjustable height feature is very useful. Number 2. HONEYBULL Foldable Walking Cane for Men and Women. This HONEYBULL walking cane features a reinforced rubber tip. It provides secure traction on various terrains, preventing slips and enhancing balance. You can walk confidently anywhere with it. Easily adjust the walking cane from 30 to 37 inches with 8 height options. It's designed to comfortably support users from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches, making it ideal for seniors and adults. This cane is perfect for recovery use. The foldable walking cane collapses in seconds for easy storage. You can easily put it in bags or suitcases. The aluminum construction keeps it lightweight while still strong for daily mobility needs. The ergonomic handle combines rubber and plastic for a cushioned, non-slip grip. It reduces hand strain and wrist fatigue. You can use it for extended indoor and outdoor use. Crafted from strong aluminum, durable plastic, and shock-absorbing rubber. This walking cane supports up to 350 pounds. It also includes a wrist strap for added convenience and control. What we like? This cane features an air cushion tip for shock absorption, ensuring comfort on any surface. Its ergonomic grip reduces hand strain, making it ideal for extended use. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, you'll love this cane. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable height feature is very useful. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold. Number 1. DMI Folding Walking Cane for Men, Women, Seniors. This walking cane folds into 4 sections, making it incredibly easy to store or take with you. It even comes with a storage sleeve to keep it neatly folded when not in use. It's perfect for travel or everyday use. The ergonomic handle is designed for a comfortable grip, whether you're right or left-handed. The smooth wood adds a touch of style. It provides excellent support and control. The cane adjusts from 33 to 37 inches in 1-inch increments. This allows you to customize the height for optimal comfort and stability. To find the right size, measure from your wrist to the floor. Made from strong, anodized aluminum, it's lightweight at just 9.6 ounces, yet can support up to 250 pounds. The cane tip has a non-scratch base for maximum contact and safety. It includes a complimentary storage sleeve for secure transport. When folded, it measures 11.5 by 3.5 inches. When in use, it adjusts from 33 to 37 inches and supports up to 250 pounds. What we like? This cane folds compactly for easy storage and travel, fitting easily into a bag. It features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. If you are looking for a lightweight and portable cane, this is the one for you. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It is very sturdy and provides excellent support. The adjustable height feature is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.